Gone are the days when anime could only be watched on phone, tabs, TV, and laptops, because Crunchyroll is now coming to the screens inside your car as well. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Streaming video apps have become commonplace on in-car infotainment systems, and you might soon have another way to watch anime in your car depending on your model, as Crunchyroll has started appearing on the Appning app store. For those who don't know, Appning is available in vehicles from more than 40 brands, including those from BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen Group, Mini, Lotus, and SAIC Motor. According to Appning, you can already access Crunchyroll in BMW cars, and it's coming to more vehicles later. However, it won't appear in the Afila one from Crunchyroll parent Sony and Honda, as the company scrapped the car a few months ago. Out of all the social media platforms, Crunchyroll decided to share this news on LinkedIn. The company wrote in this statement, "Through Appning, Crunchyroll will be available directly within connected car environments across global regions, including Asia, Australia, Europe, India, Latin America, and North America. But to assert that safety always comes first, video streaming typically only works on an infotainment system while the car is parked." And that's a good thing, as it's probably not a wise idea to tear along a highway with half an eye on the screening, watching Dan to Dan, or chillin' in another world with level 2 super cheat powers. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.